Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yes, my people. I greet to all my people. Come guys, let me. It's too much. Oh yes, guys. Hello, everybody. How not do, my beautiful people. Oh, I see the comments. Oh yes, good evening to you all, my lovely people in the house. Good evening, my people. Good evening. How not day? I hope not day fine, my lovely people. Oh yes, my great people. How are you people doing? This thing oh yes. How not day? I hope not day fine. Please, as you are coming in, please don't forget to share this video, guys. Good evening. Happy Sunday to you all. Happy Sunday. This very TV program in the building. Good evening to you all. I twirl for you all. Oh yes, my people. Please don't forget to share this video. Please. They come, guys. So now, so my beautiful people, I want to say happy Sunday to you all, everybody, wherever you are watching me from. Please, as you are coming in, please don't forget to share this video. Please, if you are coming, please don't forget to share. Happy Sunday to you all. Happy Sunday, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. I totally for now, my beautiful people. Happy Sunday to you all. 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 Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday, my lovely people. So thank you very much as you are coming in. Please share this video out. Share so that it go reach more people, my lovely people. So my people, I will not do get matter one use mouth touch this evening. Yes, so today not to relax and sit down. Just the truth for YouTube, guys. So I decided to come here. Then we'll finish. I'm here, my people. Yes, let me color here look too much. I don't know. So my people, I greet now, appreciate now a lot. Maybe many of you now for now time for where they watch from. I greet now so much. I appreciate now because then the camera is too close to me, right? Okay, it's good like this. It's too close. So my people, now go see the Ogmoge matter. One use my touch today, my lovely people, about Queen and the. About Queen and Yore. Hey. Queen. Many of you are going I did find no happy Sunday to you. Oh, mommy, oh, thank you. So my people, I'm gonna share this video now. Please, guys, share now. So my people, yes, so I shall not go see how I'm get matter one use my touch this evening, my lovely people. Now, no, as they go, now, no time to check time, my people. Now, no, the matter that they go on for social media. Yes, so we still need to talk about it. My own stick on, no, they'll still talk about my own opinion and my allegation. And now, as now view, as soon as I be whether guru day, whether wayo day, whether it's straight or you know straight, or it be like waiting Ben about this Iyore and the daughter Queen daughter and Iyore. Mona check and whether the thing clear today big wahala Esther and Enoke very bright. I don't feel like I don't understand you. So my people, not be small thing, my lovely people. So Mona see the way, Mona check out for our own way, my lovely people. Queen because they sent me her video yesterday. The matter don't they go, they don't they throw. So Queen daughter, when Iyore do always they talk, daughter Iyore, Queen and daughter. Yeah, three of them. So the matter that they go on. Meanwhile, this matter that they happen since last year. Either last year, be this year, I don't remember. I think it's last year, my people. When this matter that they go on. Because yesterday, this lady did on live video, she almost they cry. Not be small thing. So my people now go know these three people who want to talk about. And yesterday, Queen was on live video. Do live video reach 2 times yesterday. My people, when the matter come begin, they go and say the matter don't they boy her for mine. So on a day here, me want drop my opinion as soon as sit and look at more. You still get right to drop your own one and see the scene. Please share this video before we go start as they hot as they hot. Please share, my lovely people. Share this video. So my people, now not say Queen. Now the person when he be say he carry Iyore matapu for body like say tomorrow not day, you understand? He carry Iyore matapu for head. Even say Queen don't follow me quarrel like say tomorrow not day. When I talk, he say why me talk? And not only me, many people day will be say this Queen don't follow fight because of Iyore matter. So we need more to analyze and people when he get eye, when he like the truth. More can't talk at the way it's supposed to be. Oh, my great mommy, happy Sunday to you. Happy Sunday to you, my big mommy. You are welcome, ma. Thank you. You too look beautiful. Thank you, ma. So, my people, the matter don't they go on like say tomorrow, not day. Queen, daughter, and Iyore one of Paris. The matter don't they go. She go throw. Iyore go throw. This one go throw. That one go throw. So the matter now, if I say Queen now not fit bear am again because we know say for this social media now Queen now carry Iyore matter put for head pass. If you talk to Iyore, Queen go come outside, go come bulala you. If you talk to Iyore, Queen go come outside. No, that time she said she carry Iyore matter because yesterday she was on live video. She do it the morning, I be still doing the night. Yesterday night, so people send me the video. I still watch and not be smart. You almost they cry like say tomorrow not day. So my people, what it can happen? Not be smart thing. So they don't throw word give each other. If I say they first get argument for a side body, but they use indirect. But at the time, please share this video, guys. Please share, my people. You understand? So this matter, it don't be like they don't throw it direct give each other. So the matter not be smart thing. You understand, my people? From there, this one go give this one, that one go give this one. And the most worst part, they say Iyore can carry daughter. Now, not daughter, now daughter. Put for a daughter. And of which many of us go for this social media. She was on live yesterday. Oh, me if I did live, right? I'm here. They sent me the video yesterday. So she called the cry. She felt they say never get time for Iyore. You go see throw give Iyore, but now daughter with the pepper. Like I said tomorrow, not day. My people, now not this Queen now. Now Iyore they follow pass and if there are more people when he build salt and water ministry when he be say he stand for Iyore really for my own view if I dey lie I bet right I'm here. So Queen a person be say stand for Iyore he did there for her because me I'm the type of person I always like to talk truth for where truth today. I not like to the bias or if now she or see right I go see talking. So this matter now my lovely people. Queen come stand for Iyore. Come make sure say Iyore stand. If you talk, it go come hit you. Nobody when that Queen never pepper for social media. Even when they say they swear, give Iyore he stand for there. They with Akitikba. So now my lovely people, when you get eye for social media, because more they talk and the way it be. So this Queen, he don't carry many enemy. Me and I get down one time inside last year when he cost me because of Iyore. This very woman when they cry out, so say daughter and Iyore they oppress her. If he talk, this one, that one don't do this one. She was on live video yesterday, reach midnight. So my people, share this video, guys. So now, that lady don't follow me fight. Don't follow many people fight because of Iyore issue. He don't follow many people drag because of Iyore matter. If you talk, you go say why you talk. If you talk to Iyore, go say now you they talk to, you go come outside, go come do video for your head. You go begin to talk on different words. So my people, more than the right time for now opinion, my opinion, I want give and no say we now we get eye, we see they will see. As he said, see my that time when she sit up, that is the Queen. So my people are now where the truth today. Now want to talk about me and I know me now. I always like to talk the truth for where the truth today. So my people, this Queen really fight for Iyore. He really stand for Iyore to start with the truth. So I don't know what happened. It's like one time. Iyore can't do one video. He say queen buys fish, can't give him. Aproko cut the video. That if I dey lie, oh. Say he buy fish, can't give her the thing. Come bring across social media. Say they say the money not reach. They say it not reach. Whether Iyore thought say whether queen thought na 400 or something, they buy the crayfish and babe everything. Iyore can't got to bring and come outside. When me for notice say something there on that. Now there for notice say something is going on. So Iyore come bring and call live video, call the talk say see the fish when they buy come 400 or something euro. You know go even touch am. You go your leave her there. It took cost. This one that one. So you can't do the videos. Many people can't they comment, they call, you know, reach, it's shitan, mommy Iyore is shitan. Then Iyore call the talk say now so they do am all the time it always the shitan. Now there the matter they start as me they view am. So since then it's like they were not a good move because why? This daughter, the time when they drag Iyore up and down, this daughter not bring out now this queen is Osaweni Anzo Wegi. Now he carry Iyore put for head. If you thought that they say Iyore na head, he put her for shoulder. Say nothing go make two of them. Nothing go make two of them fight as in nothing go make two of them get any arguments. So now so you go attack everybody. Please share this video if you are coming in. Please share. So you go attack anybody when you talk to Iyore. So after them, my lovely people, from there now, Iyore want come outside. Daughter. Now daughter can't take the chat all the time. Okay, maybe when he has always enough handle his social media aspects. But at a time, my lovely people, when he has always we're there for Iyore. That woman yesterday, she was on live video, she did cry. And which is very painful. Which is very painful. The way some people tell they do for social, it seems be like when this useless lolekia, it doesn't finish. I not sell now. Those kind of things not good. It not make sense. Meanwhile, this woman, it don't turn many people enemy because of me and that woman not they talk. You know, if I see video at the part because of when it take because I talk, it can't cost me because of Iyore and some people. You understand? But the truth has to be told. The truth need to bring out. So after them, my lovely people, this matter can't do when we say Iyore not supposed to bring that thing come outside. Cut the disgrace that one because either good or bad me day. So if somebody do something for me, I always remember say this person do something for me. Okay, either good or bad, Iyore can't bring the crayfish. He can't be like say people can't cause the woman. From that platform, people can't say they send money, give her more. He say they sell clotho, they don't if money. Iyore can't even tell them say why I wanna give her money, we wanna not tell her. Me anybody don't use the money matter they disturb her. Meanwhile, when you know, say this person have fought a lot of fight for you, it does stand by you. You understand? So it can't begin, my people. Now they can't begin the trauma, give each other because definitely, if not me, that thing go vex me. If person buy something for you, when you know say una be 5 and 6, you suppose call and hide, say this one you buy for me 2 costs. Now you want buy me, I beg go You go give me or you bring another thing, cut it, join and not they take with 2 costs. You know, talk it inside if there is nothing wrong. Meanwhile, this daughter, you be mad. You come meet Iyore and Osaweni Wegi as they together as okay. Iyore get saying get church, eat the back and mom, they follow and they do advert, they tell people, you know. But you as a man, when you can't come from nowhere, cause okay, you can't date the miss. What do you have to do? You suppose even if there are 2 get problem, you supposed to settle them. No, you not settle and it can stand for me to begin the support Iyore, they join and they beat a queen. So now my lovely people, now that the matter they start. The way Iyore cut they call daughter, you come back and say you not call they appreciate queen again. So meanwhile, the queen now really nobody not go first for that kind of thing because when you help person from this crash, when time goes on, when something when they come out, money not be everything. But at the time the regard and the respect now still something. You come back and say the respect and everything, the regard when you already be the giver. Now this what they call her when they call himself a daughter. Please share this video, guys. Now daughter, he call they give. Anytime daughter, come daughter, that kind of thing not make sense. Now there, the woman still keep count, they throw word, give each other, they throw word. One time, can't get when this quick, because they say it's see man when they want marry. Doctor come go tell Iyore say na so the man when the queen one marry say na central. I can't not say the man na central if this man himself not be central. Now that the matter can't go even this queen come outside do video verse even cause the doctor that time. Nah, Iyore come outside the verse say where I go talk to doctor like that except he can't apologize. If I say the woman can't really come outside do apology. So ever since then it's like the thing were not still settled to an extent where be say they still there in the normal ground as in they see they as in they see they together. If I say the thing not they settle and maybe Iyore now not they give this woman attention, and which is very very bad. If I say Iyore now not gonna give this woman attention now only daughter all those kinds of ways of people they do for social media. It not make sense. That's the way Iyore do. If now you just see right, I see tell say Iyore you right, either good or bad. We know how many people when this queen don't follow do enemy for this social media aspect. When it be said because of Iyore, even when they swear, say they swear for Amo, this one, oh, now because of Iyore, stand with her, I didn't leave you alone. No matter what it daughter, friend say, daughter still get your own aspect way for still they help you. But at a time, you're not supposed to you leave Iyore, leave a when he has okay. Nah, Iyore they talk, the queen they talk. The quick out of video yesterday say he get many record, he get many things when we want to talk about Iyore. Now, Iyore says, sit or say if anybody get any audio, make it plan. All those things when they happen, it doesn't make any sense. And daughter did the middle now. What is daughter doing about all those things when they happen now? Iyore go come outside, go talk, your daughter go come outside, go talk, Iyore go come outside, go talk, your daughter go come outside, go talk. That kind of thing, Iyore and a queen. Iyore they talk, queen they talk. Okay, which help and which waiting when this daughter come offer to the matter when it day grant? Because the lady was on live video yesterday crying. He cried. Because they look us on this daughter. Because the way of the look, if I say now daughter, now it cause all the bege and the problem. When it day grant, when it be say, this Iyore not call the answer am again. And Iyore is the type of person you not be more again. When you call yourself say you be leader, now this one be leader won't they talk. You say you be leader, either good or bad, you go use and hold everybody. Not let this one spoil this one for you. Not let this one spoil this one for this one. Not let this one spoil this one for this one. Hold them and let them take their own lane. He come and say Iyore now call the joint daughter, they pursue queen, they go. Meanwhile, the time of need, now queen show her reface to fight for the queen for Iyore. Now, he come back and say na Iyore daughter, now Iyore come put for her, say daughter, only small daughter. So he come back and say the thing now called the verse queen. And he reached to verse. Nobody not go verse for that kind of thing. You understand, my people? He reached to verse. Now, he come back and say no call they appreciate what this one do for her, what queen do for her. And meanwhile, who show his face talk and who hide for darkness talk is not the same. Because person wey hide for darkness when many people don't really know. And you when you show your face when everybody know. Now show your face when everybody know. Now they risk pass. You see some people are doing live video, they will hide their face, they will not like to show their face. Definitely, even though you know the voice, it will still be difficult for you to really know the exactly who that person is. But somebody that show the face anytime, any day, morning, afternoon, night, holding bag in the street is doing live video because of the same lady called Iyore. At the end, daughter now call the trauma put for all the whole matter up and down. Now come back and say you can't like daughter now pass Iyore queen. So the thing have been on ground since last year. They have been throwing words to each other to an extent when it be saying now people now is not noticing what is going on. You understand me, my people? The way somebody need to really do something, you're supposed to do and words, okay? This woman don't help me, even though una get quarrel. Una go settle her inside, not let outside and hear her, or not reach to an extent, say buy something for you. You they bring and call public, say call they show people. I know say that one, they are more waiting make Iyore and queen verse. Because that if now me they don't have to go see pay me. Because people were not commenting calling say I shit you not tifo not be like this so it took cost so you know those kind of matter. So and when you know so okay this person was your tight friend, not only friend, she's like a sister to you because the way she stand for you, the way she was there for you, the way she fought for you, she fight and she stand for you. No matter what, even though daughter is helping you checking all those things at a time. You will see, no, it's okay. This woman still get the good part, the good rule when she still play for your side. So the way Queen come they look at her, he come back and say everything when she do for Iyore. If I say Iyore not appreciate and Iyore not like the thing now, he call them like they use and take the raw ground or she not call get value for where it did. So now the matter can't do or ground when they say that they throw mouth for each other, they cause each other, this one go cause this one go cause this one go throw mouth for each other. That kind of thing doesn't make any sense. When I say as they go now it make this life, nobody is perfect. But some people will come on social media and see if they are perfect. Nobody is perfect. And this brain of a team, not be where you know rich, not be there where you're on for end, and the other person you for start. And everybody brain not be the same. So where doctor supposed to make a settlement, he don't make settlement as a man. Even said they say now doctor call the toss the fish too cost. He go scare the fish, he go weigh the fish. It doesn't called for. It's not called for. Okay, since then, now when we say this woman take fight for a Yore day with the way they take help Yore day, they see they below the social media, they go sort of water ministry of evil self, you go call for there, they will they talk for them. Please share this video, guys. Please share. If you are just coming in, please don't fail to share. You understand? So my people, the matter can't begin they do it don't say when the matter don't do but the matter now though they come outside, the Yore go through, this one go through. So Yore now was now saying that if you have any record about me, play it. Oh no, not be so that they do something. Play am, play am. Person not go die. Person not go do this one. No, it never caught for that one. It never reach like that. You understand? You never reach like that when it be say now you do the thoughts. Okay, and if you can't be like that, make it play the record because now two no way to now do that time. And when she says she get record, you don't even know the kind of record when she gets. You don't know what she gets about you because it they be like that sometimes. So now the corridor they come outside. Why that lady come to your live video yesterday? She come begin they cry. The team make her they cry because they lay us on doctor. And two my lovely people, when this woman they fight for Yore, many people they not stand for Yore. They not there for her. Where the truth they now want to talk. Okay, now, a Yore come out, he can't go give her the Murphy money. My people, waiting make Yore go give her the Murphy money. And meanwhile, this queen, when he stand by Yore fight this fight, I'm not sure say Yore don't give this woman 500,000. If you don't give her 500,000, I'm not sure say you go come outside, call the show crayfish and this thing for live video. Good evening, you are welcome. Please share this video, guys. Please share. Because either good or bad, my lovely people, it's good to be good. And when you are doing something, do it at the right time. Okay, queen, when he follow you fight, I'm not sure say good evening, my darling. You are welcome. Thank you. You are welcome. Please, when I share this video, guys, when I share, my people. Okay, you can't come. You can't give the monkey 1 million. You first transfer 500. Because they go transfer 500. In your way you do so, it not make sense. You not do well. You not do well. If now queen, you give that money, could have been better than because the fight queen help you to fight. And at the same this person, when you give money, now he draw you go palace when they take care juju cut a swear for you when you call the cry for live video. When you do live video, then you call the cry. Say you not go fit step beneath again. And this person, when you give 1 million, now the person drag you go there. And you can't do now, you can't carry the same 1 million, you call the giver. Why you go give the monkey money? You're not supposed to give the monkey money. The monkey work for that money. This lady, she worked so hard. If you give Osaweni answer we get that money, when are they going to Osaweni answer we get? Almost them in time. Almost to the no, when are they going to Timothy? Timothy, the winner, Timothy winner. Is it not the same this Timothy that drag you to palace? Is it not the same Timothy that go and report and make them to call your palace to call the Lakers on your head? Okay, you can't do now. You can't carry money, go to give her the money. How do you expect this woman to feel? If not me, my people, he go pay me. You understand? When I see you and reason yourself, you don't follow person fight, do a big wage, follow everywhere. At the end, you carry money, go to give the monkey. Give her the monkey money for what? Or job as GFO. The 1 million when you give her the monkey, now ask the monkey where you use the money to do no good the monkey. Well, the monkey cannot even negotiate. Somebody when you supposed to give money different. The one when you go they give different. Okay, how you tell expect me to say queen go hear that kind of word, you know go versa. If now you person do it to you, you're walk away, you follow person, don't follow person, do a big wage finish. At the end, you they carry the person when drag you. Go cause poof for all those mess when this woman can stand for you. You not give her money, you not compensate her, you come on go they compensate this best and when drag you go palace. That means you get with you now they hide. That means he get with you and no one make it leak out. That means he get with you and they cover for his hands. One and not want the presenters to know. Because Eddie Murphy not deserve that 1 million when you give her. If you give this woman that money, it could have been better. Then when you come outside and say it, we go support you. Say yes, Iyore here. But this one you not try at all. Let me frank and say, my lovely people, you follow Percy Bogbolo Bogbiri, stand with Percy 24/7. It's not that you even task that person. You can't buy fish, give that person. The person called the disgrace for social media. And you can't carry 1 million, can't they give another person will not stand by you in the time of the needs. Person will not know whether there's a person will even draw you go palace. Iyore will go get the move for you where are the palace. It's like Iyore don't forget all those mess so soon. It's like you don't forget all those yama so soon. Please share this video, guys. Please share, my lovely people. Please share, guys. If you are coming in, please share this video, please. Yes, it's like Iyore don't forget all those mess so soon. That time when the movie got to drink erosion water for Bongo. As he got there, not be see go report Iyore say there Mongo trauma go big house. Now the same person will make you no go fit step leg enter a bini. Now the same person go they give 1 million. My people, I wanna look that place. I wanna look that place, my people. When people say, who fight for you even when they swear the juju go. This lady not relent, he not stay back, he not fear. She stood by you, she stand by you. They thought all of the thought different. But I share this video, my people. You understand me? Okay, now, for Iyore to support this woman, he can go they support Eddie Murphy. Now that one me not understand. Waiting go make Iyore they give Eddie Murphy money. Eddie Murphy, what do you do for Iyore? Where you know the person that make Iyore go to palace? Eddie Murphy, they give you the money, fear not cash you. How much more remark bekona rigona if you work po. No luru. Now the same money when Papa Wala no give him again when big it they blackmail Papa Wala up and down. They blackmail Dorishi, they blackmail, they send our money they collect. Now bribe Iyore bribe you then. Eddie Murphy. That means now bribe Iyore bribe you where they give you that money so that may not the trauma give and may not see go draw a leg come outside. Because one caller thought today say, Billy, I say, he go bribe Iyore because if Iyore thought say he get belly, may not see cause spoil Iyore name. Now I make Iyore go to give Eddie Murphy money. My people, what he make Iyore give Eddie Murphy money? Eddie Murphy, which work you do for Iyore? I bet come as I call explain to us. Which work you do for Iyore when we not see? I bet come bring the video arts. When you do for Iyore, the time when they drag Iyore, they up and down like cow when they drag for ground. Where till you do for Iyore? Good evening. Please share this video, guys. Now, let me frank and say, my lovely people. Thank you, my darling. You are beautiful too. My people, this one not there. You know, they barbaric. You know, wicked. The woman now did live video yesterday. She begin to cry. You go expose everything before I go no. You hear now the time and say, expose her. If the person not go die, you not go do this one. Now you know, he tell you, he talk and yesterday say, as you test start the church, he know everything I made them, he know. So if you really know, you can't let her give, you can't go give her body be make on disgrace for social media. Now the same person when you give 1 million, so now you go fake on blackmail. You maybe not 10 million, you go pay give Eddie Murphy. If Eddie Murphy can't yell to on yama wanna do hides, he can't bring and come and say, now this Eddie Murphy when you they bribe me, I'm even where you bribe Eddie Murphy now. Because Eddie Murphy not do any work, you they carry money, they give Eddie Murphy. Why you go give Eddie Murphy money? My people, why she go give Eddie Murphy money? Don't go going today when he open up our own ministry. Sugar. Oh, I better not kill me with laugh, Juju. He said, I don't come with today make you open our own ministry, sugar and water ministry. He said, make we open your sugar and water ministry. I beg, we don't go give people diabetes sugar and salt, sugar and water. Who country sugar and water? Cannot be on that thing. I tell you, my people, I'm gonna share the video. You understand? Can you imagine? Either good or bad, you carry money where money Eddie Murphy. Eddie Murphy not your bad. More I me ask work when Eddie Murphy do for Iyore. Now that me call aso. Which work Edimofi do for Yore when be say Edimofi can't guide the gods and the mind to take sit down, they collect money for Yore hands. Maybe na blackmail once he start again, so now make Yore come back, go give Edimofi money. Where did Yore go give Edimofi money? 1 million for what now? And person when he help you build the ministry is not owing you 300 or 500,000. I not hear that for a man saying you want 500,000, 1 million, and you carry money, you go to give Edimofi. Why you go give Edimofi money? And you go hear that kind of thing when you go verse person. Okay, now they tell say he want bring it down. You know this one is not bring it down because they say do to others what others will do to you. Do to people what you do people do what you know say if people do you not go pay you. Now you go do to people. Edimofi now come they collect 1 million for your hand. Nobody asked Edimofi which work he work when they collect 1 million for your hands. You already say he send the money was on live video when he say he send the money first send 500 cost 500 for what now? Okay, which benefit this lady now get at the end? A betrayer, the one called they call a queen. Now queen can be betrayed after she suffered and built the ministry with you, stand by you the time when you need her. When doctor now not go talk her, you know, go fit resolve the issue now. When they come be say now the matter now they come. I'm a virgin. Please share this video, my people. Now, question me can ask because let me be frank and sincere here. Queen fought for Yore at the end. You Edimofi when I when I do go no who Edimofi do when now so they say Edimofi bio. They really talk at the same as well. Well Edimofi o jopa jie wo no. Edimofi na so really they come out the waka. You go dey find with one black man. You go dey find with one black man. If you do go your play record. Oh, you reach it all today when I want black man. So now wait till you go take collect money for your hand, I be that. So now wait till Edimofi go take collect money for your hand, I be that. Because it may not come blackmail you. Money when you go forgive queen. Una de pana in Edimofi for what? Which work Edimofi do for you? When they give Edimofi money? My people wanna help me ask. Now the matter now don't second follow everywhere. People want to tell say one blackmail. You know this is not matter of blackmail. No. They say what you know the person do not do person. Because as the company say now this woman come mumu. Because yesterday she was crying. Yeah, she was really crying. What is the meaning of that? And my people, that will not be evil out. Edimofi your day life video that people money when they give her money now they found up at that. Now, Edimoki, our Edimoki, who Edimoki want you the store money from? Now Edimoki you the find follow our social media platform, and they go say, they give me money. Una see 2 million when they talk about that about a Nokia and Edimofi. Why Edimofi not refuse to collect that money is because a Nokia don't know a batter, and he no one give as his stingy rich, he no one give a Nokia for his side. He want go back, go collect the money. Me only one shop ask they collect the whole money. She say, clothes when that man they buy for body, when the monkey they buy for body. Ah yes, now 50 euro. A old grown up man, father of 5. Ukmone the monkey die be. On my brother 15 euro. Get one when they wear one time complete with fake Fendi when you go buy for Asia. You better say argue both even then at 3 euro. The thing is now he wear for more than 5 months. The club more than 5 months. If you enter live video, the money now you go. If you enter live video, the money where they stored for people. I'm not saying money where they collect for evil way. Now evil way they see the spender. Now it be that how when they say if you collect money finish, you know even they know what they use until they do. Don't call me private, please. I don't pick private number. In case if you want call me, talk nonsense or curse me, I'll first place your number here. I don't pick private number. If you want to call me, open your number. If you want to call me WhatsApp, open your number. Private number 9. So that if I want to wallow your faculty, if I want to go trace your Facebook, go trace everything about you, I'll see your picture, bring come as I can't hear you well. If you do you get Pekino, you get husband, I'll bring your picture, I can't hear all of now together, go pay you rich cyber. Because I don't fit my platform here on my live video. You will call me, they talk nonsense. If you don't like what I they talk, pack out, not be by force. But ID number, don't bother, not the pick. If you know the fear Vera, open your number, come tell me what you want, tell me, then I go see nowhere, I go shuku you like this, I go wolo. I'll make sure say I wolo, you go reach inside your bone marrow. No, the fear very nice. No, I'm not the pick or no number. Call me with your right number. Let me see it. One eye closed, one eye open. I will see him. Check it now. On number where this is not the another people. Please share this video out, guys. You understand, my people? Yes, so nothing like no number. If you like, you call the poor red head. More na me pursue that red head. They pay you. Why go back where ready ever gia? More na pursue. You know, I call so as he call now, not pick. Now he call the red dog bijou. Oh, go back boy. If I call for this live video now, go pan the amu boy can also work. Even at say where the live video no do tell no do watch. Oh, go back boy. But pan ya ni ti o back boy. O back boy. We not the more ready. You got say well and so work. But even at say if I don't call you for here, you call the poor red or go back boy. Oh, give you by la je boy. O back boy. O back vawere ya do go boy. You understand? Oh, go back well. Now so the bio. If you want to call me on no number, don't be scared of Vera. Are you an animal? Esther Pikin say whether Esther an animal. No, if you know say you are not an animal, go put your number and call Vera. Before the number call Vera. So now some my people distracting people share the video now people that distract people. So my question is this: Eddie Monkey, as they collect all the money rich, we know they see better cloth for Eddie Monkey body. Betray. If now that one make you call the poor red, I will finish my topic. Yeah, I buy for you. Now my people, 1 million when Eddie Monkey collect for Yoreham. Mona help me ask Eddie Monkey what he use 1 million to do. Mona help me ask Eddie over when he don't back man, he head don't pull reach back. When he don't pull head, when head don't pull reach back. Mona help me ask her what he use the money to do. Because 1 million, Papa Wala talk at that time say now because he change the number, I make it the cost and what he say now. Later he can't use the matter to say, na truth. Now because Papa Wala block him. Money when he give you where? Okay, now the Yore come out, they give you money. What do you do for Yore when Yore they give you that kind of money? What do you do for a Yore? When Yore they give you 1 million. At the end of when he has no way, when he really works so hard, no inch coming out for her. And now the time say, no, sir, we never give one bring Yore down. This is no matter how bring it down. When you walk, when you walk, you eat. When you don't walk, you don't have. Who walk go shop? Because anybody will go call this woman betrayer. This is not betrayer. When he has no way, cannot betray. So see me, so they always stand for the truth. They always like to say the truth for where the truth be. You understand? I always say the truth for where the truth day. Okay, this woman now have worked so hard, not even say for them to give her money. But at a time, because they support another person, they pursue and they go, come and say, no, if they are front for my rights. Because now they want to call her betrayer. They want to call her saying an evil person. They want to talk saying a bad person. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. You understand? Okay, now I got to be evil somebody. I got to be bad person. You're not supposed to understand. So okay, now as it be like this, who settle her? Don't mind settle her. Call her and you people settle it amicably. When I go settle her with you myself, doctor, you be mad. You settle them. Not be the one that they say this one I betrayed, that one I betrayed, this one. No. Nothing like betrayal. Nobody don't go first for that kind of thing when it be say it don't go on like this at the end. Or cause say now it can be betrayer. If you walk follow person call they call you betrayer, call they call you evil. How will you feel? How will you feel? Eh? Oh, now she give you your prayer points. Can you imagine? You know, people have eyes. It can be truth. Because the way she talks, she said right from the one, she stands as a leader to help her. Really. That lady really tried. She tried. She said it on one video. Say if they give us also a amount, you not rich. If they take time can say for what you do for what salt and water ministry. But she not worry. She not care. You know? Me no know what where the monkey do. Ojoba Jievo 419. Ole TV Kankoriko, how are you? TV Kankoriko, how are you? TV. Mona the pepper, those one they put red. Boy. If you know say you want call, not the fear vera, call with your normal number. Show your face. You will not put your picture, come with your number so that if you do any, I know how to place your number. You are free to call. You understand? You are free to call. Say I must support Queen Ministry. Okay now. You understand? Because now they work on the task. Now bribe. And the monkey go collect bribe for your hands. Because that 1 million, Mona ask me what Iyore follow and the monkey take bribe. Mona ask this question, oh, what Iyore follow, what Iyore use that 1 million to follow the monkey take bribe. Eh? Oh, thank you, my lady. I didn't touch you. Don't disturb me, leave them. What? Come on, quick. Come on, quick. Let me finish it. Let me force it for you. Okay, guys, no, I'm not vegetarian. You understand? Now, the one they tell say, na betrayer. God bless you. Can you imagine? Now, the one they call say, queen a betrayer. If na Iyore see right for you, I'll say come as I see to say Iyore right. For them to call they say, queen a betrayer. No. Nobody queen follow me drag. Nobody queen not follow fight because of Iyore. So all social media even comment out now when they view me so now know the truth. Please share this video, guys. Please, if you are just coming, please don't fail to share this video. Share my people, may reach people. You understand? She fight for Iyore, stand for Iyore, make sure say everything come good well. But I see no reason why now the worker they say na betrayer. She was crying yesterday. She was on live video yesterday. People did then if I lie. Many of you see her yesterday on live. The doctor now know you they talk better thing. The monkey no joba Jievo. The monkey money collect money. Why no want making and no get collect that money? If you want go back, go collect the money. No one make. You don't want give a no get. You don't want give a no get for that money. Oh, that's the reason why I say I'll say for the truth. Why Iyore can't give you 1 million when you can't collect? Now bribe Iyore bribe amo. I want call her talk and say when they give you, they first give her the movie money before Iyore cut on say he get belle. Now truth. Because maybe if you not give her the movie money, because they say get quarrel, if you don't say get belle, now you know the movie not mind. You go come outside, go call the talk nonsense. So Iyore got to set one so that may carry wahala go that side. And Iyore forget say now this December he talk around say forget to because there's a video where Iyore first do when he cry well. He said now because of the movie, now making up with the entire billion of fish you know. You go say carry 1 million, come when they give her the movie. Now the movie making up with 50 billion. Now the movie cause problem when you did. No, they say the movie come when they give 1 million. Give 1 million. Wait till follow the movie buy with 1 million. Wait till the movie where they look at them 1 million. The monkey where they look at them joba Jievo. Okay, now so when are they given? Because now the one they say queen don't they jealous. This is not jealous issue here. Let's stand for the truth for where the truth. There's nothing like jealous here. Nothing like jealous here. The movie knows joba Jievo. The monkey oh. When Iyore give you that 1 million, why not tell Iyore say you don't give yourself when he answer we give money. You don't give queen money. which work Eddie Murphy work when he can't be say he deserve to have that money? I need the answer and the question. Which work Eddie Murphy work for to deserve that amount, to deserve that money? When it be say at the end now, you carry 1 million, they give Eddie Murphy. This woman not give her 500,000 or 700,000. When I say as people take the mistake, when I say as people take the mistake for life, Iyore was so mistake to doing such thing. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. I did live video.
Yeah, I know. Now, please, now,
Okay, okay.
Yeah. This topic break now. God will bless you.
Thank you. They hear you. They hear us. They hear me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
The speaker, yeah.
Yeah, based on what I hear, we say you dey give the Murphy money. Now let's two things I want to talk.
Okay.
You understand?
They hear
based
you.
on the way me say reason something, or the way the rumors not here. You know, say you dey get belly.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's say the gossip ammo. You give the Murphy one.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. But you know the work where the Murphy they do.
Not be blackmail. Not be blackmail. That's what I talk on yesterday.
No, not a blackmail, not a black. No, it's true. Really. You know? Yeah, now my mayor, now John they talk to you. John they talk to you. You know the work where the Murphy they do. They give woman with the fat the kid, they give her medicine.
Okay, also.
Now so yeah, that bagay today. Yeah. So I surprised say I just say all the presenters don't hear them, but I don't know if I never hear them. That be the 1 million we give her. If you don't born, I say yeah, another money again. So if they talk say he go do
IVF.
hospital, go do another. So not with that one I do. Maybe say maybe they all do what they listen to that they tell you now be.
Yeah, people they hear you.
Okay. He not do anything. Like the Murphy give her medicine. Like the Murphy give her medicine. So that's why he give her that 1 million. So maybe you know all the gossip. You understand me so? So if you not just see the Murphy say you give her 1 million. So now we person for the work. Now they for the job.
No, this one not be jealousy because he not talk wetin he do when they take give am 1 million. Now your mouth for the year. So because before he give am 1 million, one will know as the matter they go. Before he give am 1 million, if I give am 1 million before Iyore cut us say get belle, and Iyore not come outside, they not the shame put now my brother. Person not fit give me medicine now to get belle. I not go fit talk and call they say I give the person money height. That one not be anything. That will not be shame. Even pastor said they go some kind. Even pastor wife said they go some kind place they go talk am. So if na true say na he give a medicine wey take get belle, you for still talk am. Wetin we reason be say as the information when we know be say if because they are two fair get quarrel. If I go settle the movie because the movie he and a fair get argument matter when they never said to finish. And one time self the movie be once he start to the pepper Iyore just want to cut am off. He no want stress or he matter may not call the disturb and wetin make that woman give that man money. So this say the movie they not give her money because he don't want to the cause Iyore self. This say Iyore not give the movie money. By now the movie for that come outside the narrate Iyore say Iyore no give am belle. Let me be frank as he say. We know it work. We know how it takes it.
You know, some media people see your speaker. You understand me?
We don't hear you. The network they break. Share this video, guys. They break.
The echo for you.
The echo. I don't know why. Why you call the echo? Been on your side. You come. They hear me now. They hear us now. They hear you.
Okay. You know, so some presenters they come and say, like, because of balance, now you don't do the movie. Not because of that one. So presenters they ever hear it, they ever know it, they ever know the truth. Now we usually don't come. And they know where the movie medicine they work.
Yeah, now you're about to forget the year now. Caller, so free. Now another, you know, people when you the movie don't give medicine since 2017. This caller don't break table lego. Caller don't break table. They just send this one come. I want the caller now. They just send this caller. Don't cut it come. My people. Another person know they call the 35. Now you won't call talker. This social media too deep. Caller, now you want talker. Another person for answer not the call they do testimony. Nah, yes, I know, but since when the movie don't start to they give pregnant medicine, they give people when they say they are cassava not to stand, they will call they do 24/7. May not say anyone will come and say I can't do testimony. You know when they say they do salt and water ministry, people see they call for live video, they do testimony. Oh, now let you know. You when they turn, you not say if you talk, if you come in now, you tell me say, madam, oh, make I tell you, oh, now the monkey give you your wife medicine where it table. Then we go know where you they talk, they go. This one where you they cut her for corner, they cut her for nyasha. But man, you understand. My people not see this kind of one before. When the movie does start to give women medicine, we never hear sound easy. I never hear oh. Okay, now you're come be the first person. You're where you de lads, yeah. You're come outside though. You be they be saying IV and enemy now you do. Now they say not be IV and enemy you do. Una they see sometimes it good that they bring some come outside. More they know the cocoa. More for nowhere we stand though. This caller don't break table leg. I beg wanna share this video. We had the third one with the he said na the monkey na give your remains way take bele. She no can mezoku. Don't mind that caller. We not call no the one. One woman they talk they go say na I feel enemy na you do. You now they call and say na una not be me talk una here now. Now so they take the carry matter they oh I hope una dey here. In case he see make here. I said this caller you the way they do the bargain. I said this caller good evening my big mommy and BS. I said this caller you the way they do the bargain and everything. He say if he see born, he said we go see here another money again. Hey, well what? He said whether not be he said whether not be weather for the work that they shop. Maybe don't follow argue. Say whether not be weather for the work that they shop now. Me malen we argue. Oh wait, if you born they go here another money again. Now you're here now. That woman say na IV enemy. Now they say not be IV enemy. This one now they confirm to us say na the monkey na give you medicine where ya have. He said na make you give the movie money. He said if you see born finish, he say you go see give the movie on here I put her for speaker. I put her for speaker because this matter don't break table leg. Okay, since all minutes where the movie don't they give all women. Nah, you're na body now you can work. Since women don't they hear say the movie don't give women medicine. Not be 2 years, not be 3 years, not be 4 years. He don't say. I come now, you're now, you can walk. Nobody don't come as I can do testimony. Today we see and say the lolo belle. Tomorrow we see and say the press belle. And the way that matter the lolo belle, not be so they take the lolo belle. People when they read the massage woman when need picking, not be as they do so they take the one. Really, to God who made me. There is one Ijaw woman that time when they do and Mama Yito, now they call her that time. If you get it, the Lolo woman, no, the one where you the peg like that they push a shovel for inside Sansanso. I don't know when you don't start to do. You know the Nigeria. How come medicine when you call they do cut the work? Because I dey imagine some people whether they are brain or they work, I don't know. Because those things where they say woman need to use, you are not in Nigeria. That means now you must start and candle water and then even they say you take the do one for here. Because no tree they here where they see enia when they call when they say wood this thing vein of wood or leaf. There are some leaf now when they want to do for woman when they need pikin. That leaf they not they pluck and down. Now early morning they'll go pluck and come take cook the porridge give the woman. Take cook the porridge everything they want cook for her. And some leaf where they need and some vein and some wood, banga of kanda of strong wood, strong wood they use. You know they are brought here. How come you can't say you take they do and when they take they get? I don't understand which medicine you can't they give them when they can't they go. Hey. He say na the movie give a medicine when they get. He say na the movie na give and when they get. He said now be the 1 million because me the emphasize on the 1 million when you understand? So my people, because I don't feel talk because that woman Mama Ito na Ijaw woman when they do this thing so it then a pant so they'll call panda with this echo whether they call echo so this will be like sound when pregnant woman they eat they'll call panda with her so they go do it with honey so they go do it with different things so they go cook her for native pots it goes off if they take her small where you forgot they see all those leaves there. In fact, there are some oil where be say they take the lolo that belly. So that woman that time get oil. If you want really, if your belly too hot, woman when get belly when it hot, when if you get belly go they come on. It gets oil when that particular name they use for that particular thing. It get one medicine that time they call that medicine sweetie. Now sweetie, if you don't cook the medicine, now leave. You get it, they pick the list or they drop bolo like this. You understand? Now my sister at that time, now Ijaw woman. If you don't cook her for the day, before they eat her, they'll pull earring, they'll pull necklace, they'll pull everything, they'll naked, finish, they'll come out all cloth for body. You go put them for one because you get big house up and upstairs, now you get that time. All that room now for people when they come. Is that sweetie, if you give them shop, all body go they scratch them. So that who they shop that sweetie and people when you get fried ball for belly, when that fried ball don't make them get belly. That medicine as you shop all body go they scratch and fat. All everywhere you go for food day. The next day, everywhere go bust. Whoa. The thing bust today, you go to say when I see this kind of red something, everywhere go full. If that medicine go met time, if you met time, go come remain, we go say na small go remain when you go fit get belly. Really, if you tell us say na next month you go get belly, you go say not it's so time go. It go arrange and go really enter. So now those who I mean, now that woman that not they sit that for us. It always go they find leaf. They always go they bring wood kanda and you know be waiting me I don't know. If that woman they lolo belly that before you go enter, you go fair pray put, you go fair do some incantation for man sometimes. Me, if I look you, the one you're kulobo, look at something. Which kind of man baby this one? So me don't know where you forgot to see your herbal medicine where you call the use. Me don't know where you forgot to see herbal medicine where me not know. I don't know where you forgot to see and whether I leave a wood where they not the boat they touch for abroad. Now you call they cook for them drink. Me I don't know because now you know they go Nigeria. Now you know they stay Nigeria. How come because they give people medicine drink? Okay, now really small start and waiting the real say you take the miss and now you read the use. Because if you they go Nigeria all the time, they stay Nigeria like 3 months, 4 months before you come back now, or 1 month safe before you come back. If you come, you will go bring the car for the year. Now you say you sit down for Germany here, see they collect government money, stay here. You know they go house. know his name, oh, my dear. I don't know his name. I even check the number. Now Italy for call. I don't know his name. Oh, he don't break table leg. He say na the movie. Now I give you your medicine when the table. When take a belly. Hey, way. I don't get strength to laugh. What they come? Not be Italian. Now Germany number. Now Germany here it is. And I some of the boys there. You understand? Mother of 5 when they dance for sister, maybe sister against sister Eddie life video. Now sister Eddie the small for live video. Hey, I see that one day. Oh, you shake, but so people not the shame. Oh, that one I really mother. Even picking himself, even the you have to check or sweat man. Now that one you about the color there. So my people, now we they talk about the money. See, they go sometimes we need to bring things come out so that we'll see they get the update about for some kind and some kind those kind of people. He said, "Let me not talk because say now where person for the work, now for the shop. Me don't know where the movie for the work, where for the shop for my people. Okay, now, the movie I say make God talk where they forgive her 1 million. Brother call now they tell me say maybe not talk like that again say now work you work for the movie. Say whether me no work where the movie they work. Now I say not be if blackmail. He said no, say not be blackmail, say not be there in the talk. The monkey come here oh they say na belle you put inside na medicine you give when you take belle. Walata. They say na IVF. Now not be IV again no. Caller don't come for my platform. Say, nah, the movie give a medicine when you take a belly. We never hear that one before. Now the first time when me Allah. Now the first time when me had the hear and I be this. Because me, as Vera television program, I need to know the aim of that money given to Edimoki. I need to know because people that fought for Iyore, they don't have 1 million. I can't give Edimoki 1 million. But for my own view, I know why Iyore give Edimoki 1 million. Before Edimoki, Iyore really give Edimoki 1 million. Iyore don't get belle. But at a time, when I give Edimoki money, Edimoki be what the trauma give Iyore. And Iyore don't want Edimoki wahala second time. And he get belle. If he can't come outside and say he get belle, Edimoki go use a blackmail and take spoil in name. Now waiting me, I reason and my own opinion be that. You come use and spoil in there, say this one, that one. Now, not as they lie before now. You know, I go say no big boma get belle. You know, I go say na so one Gambia. Not as they do it things. We know now. So let me think, and I be my own opinion. And my mind not they deceive me. Please share this video, guys. Now, waiting me, I think say now it happened there. So this caller now is not telling us that say no, me not be so. He say. Now he give am medicine when he take a we don't know. We don't know those kind of matter. As me talk and so it be. Because why? He already don't want the movie wahala for body again. Because he don't know the movie say if you need money, you don't give him. He go come blackmail you for social media. Of which everybody, even people will not be presented, they don't know who Edimoki be. So that's the reason why Iyore give Edimoki that money. And before giving Edimoki that money, he thought say na Edimoki make another enter palace again. Say now, if you go Nigeria, then no fit enter Benin, no be palace Benin again. So say na he give a medicine, me I not believe. Me I not believe because you already thought someone how to go native doctor, man I not go dey look for pikin, nothing God not fit do for person. So me not sure say na the movie na give that one this thing may take get belle. I not believe. So for Iyore to give the movie 1 million, so when he has always away suffer follow Iyore, at the end now people want to talk say so when he has always is a betrayer. Nothing like betrayer here, my people. Nothing like betrayer here, umpano. Nothing like betrayer here. Edimoki na be betrayer. Edimoki na wanna answer the 1 million when he collect. What he use 1 million to do? Mona asked, I said, what is that 1 million they give to you? What did you do with that 1 million? What do you do with that 1 million? Me, person don't fit come for my platform called twist my brain. You know, if you can twist my brain, I lie. Edimofi must tell us work when they take him 1 million. Say, nah, he can't give a medicine. You not get any medicine. Not be only you already don't they give medicine long time when they're not get belly. Shebit has been giving people medicine. May all those who are called testify before go believe, say, nah, Edimofi give you your medicine when they get belly. We not believe that one. We not believe that one. No, I don't get problem with Queen. No, I don't forgive her. I don't get problem with her. You know me. I'm a type of person. I like saying the truth where the truth is. I know they like to obey because where I use and reason myself, say person do out to me, go pay me. So I know they like twister. Because the phone say, no, me not go vex, I not go worry. No, I know they do one. I know say if you already do this kind of thing to me, go pay me. Me go even do worse than this. So I know if you call the pretend, say, nah, I not go vex, I go leave everything for God. I beg, I not get God. I not get patient of leaving anything for God. So really, now Queen not wrong here. Now you're not wrong for this matter. Yes. For giving Edimoki 1 million naira. Edimoki can't tell us what he give you 1 million for. That is why we summon you here. Don't tell no yeah, he already 1 million way. That one where that caller call say now so he give a medicine. We not believe that one. If not believe, I beg, more not right and here. I beg if not believe, more not right and here, yes or no. Because me, I not believe. Only what I believe, say, if Yore toss a Gebele, he go come blackmail Yore. Because he and Yore never did in a good mood. Now me Yore give her that money. Say Yore give Edimofi money because he give her medicine when take Gebele. I not believe. I not believe. That call an a liar. Lie way that caller na Germany here dey na a boy na if he be brother or a boy. So he just call here to come and use that one to deceive us. Not those people where they call a queen say na betrayer. Na betrayer they kill that person. If a boy line on him, but not where a queen a betrayer no. They don't know what is the meaning of betrayer. If you want call betrayer here, you go and call Edimoki betrayer. Call Edimoki now they collect money up and down. Which work Edimoki do for a year when they collect 1 million for a hand? Now Edimoki now be betrayer here. All the time say that I do work, you not get see. Before me go believe, Edimoki go come and say and say now work. Now medicine when you give Iyore, now I take get better, make can give a hand. And they go bring the evidence out. We not there for cook and boost. Please share this video, guys. Please, as you are coming, please share, may reach others, please. Good evening, everybody, and happy Sunday to you all. We are here debating on Iyore and Queen and Iyore issue. Now with the debate, now with the top for here. For my own opinion, when I don't give sis, I don't see anything wrong with a Queen do. Because why? Queen carry Iyore matter for head. Like at that time to when they can't get issue. So you don't use wuru might take follow Iyore. You don't use I beg him, I use pattern take the follow. You not do one thing. He use all her might to follow Iyore. He use all her might to support Iyore. So I see no matter what Iyore Queen will do to Iyore, Iyore supposed to look at like normal thing. Because when before suspect say that matter for corner, and when he be say he bring crayfish, come and say Queen shit him. Now then before see all those problems, all those wahala for starts. Really, and Iyore not supposed to do such thing when he go let the bring crayfish. A doctor we not know as you and I take start now. Doctor what call the talk how the matter take go, how the matter not take go. It doesn't make any sense. When Edimofi we not do anything, they give Edimofi 1 million. What Edimofi do when they give a 1 million caller, they call say he give Iyore. Wanna hear oh one caller say he give Edimoki. Who be this one? Who they come Mumu they kill you there? Who that one the turtle? When? I never know who the turtle shall. Now I just leave you. Please share this video. Share my people. One call and I hear when he call for my platform. He say now Edimofi give you your medicine when he take get belly, and we not hear that one. We don't know that one. Please share this video, guys. Please share. We don't hear that one. Now it matter for the hearer. So my people, as for me I not believe. And Queen is not a betrayer. Nothing like somebody will come out and say, Queen a betrayer, Queen a betrayer. If now you wait, what will you do? If now you this matter they go on like this, make this matter now. This lady come out yesterday doing video, she was crying. Pray for me, my husband. You understand? So now they say Queen a betrayer. I don't see anything betrayal because that lady after live video yesterday, she be one they cry. She be one they cry. We are adults. We know when something is hitching us. We know when something is as in they pain us for mind. We should not just cover it up and say she is well and waiting find her in sin. No, it's not a crime to support somebody. It's not a crime to help somebody. It's not a crime to be there for somebody. But at a time, it's not good for us to take it granted. Take and say nothing they happen. If na Yore you still right for this time, she talk and say na Yore right. But Eddie Murphy, what did they give you that money for? Eddie Murphy, oh, Joba Jebo. More na share this video, make go. More Eddie Murphy, your attention is needed on my platform. They said, now you give Yore medicine where take get belle. Una hear oh, not be me talking oh. Call talker, you take give Yore medicine where take get belle, where take give you 1 million. Now caller talker, that means the caller know everything. That is why the caller call oh. Eddie Murphy, that 1 million, won't know what you do for a Yore where they give you 1 million. You know, una not fit call the deceive us. So we don't know the reason why Yore give you 1 million. Really. I don't really know why Yore give you 1 million. So call her now, don't say you give her medicine. You never thought say you give Yore medicine. And Yore never talk one day say you give her medicine. Now call her mouth now we forgot the hear. I want to know the truth from inside. And people should stop calling Queen betrayer. Queen is a betrayer. Betrayer by you, dear. Queen is a betrayer. Queen is a betrayer. Queen is a betrayer. Me and Molama they cry so na good. You're a settle with Queen. Which kind of thing be down one? The money when you go give Eddie Murphy, give Queen. All those problems when there's so for not there the debate on it. Let's call a spade a spade. And Eddie Murphy help you like this, you not give her money. Man now we anything when you know about you, never come outside call we wait for the social media. May everybody call the laugh. In fact, may your ministry self even go down. You are get time out of when women imagine a man imo is I always stand for the truth where the truth is. I know they like to bias as in with you know me and Queen we are not friends, of which you know Yore. But me, I like standing for the truth. Not let anybody push you away from that lady. That lady, you know from the bottom of your heart, she tried for you. She stand for you. They're not the crazy people when they stand for a person like that. You know they. So she stand for you. She were there for you. But at the time of Wala, go. Queen not leave you. Queen was there with you. Queen stand by you 24/7. But I see no reason why one person go call the talk say, now so Queen na betrayer. Now so Queen na betrayer. No him me the betrayer me be. Eddie Murphy will be betrayer. Nobody talks Eddie Murphy na betrayer. Eddie Murphy will be Judah Iscariot. Oh, Judah Iscariot. Who be Judah Iscariot? Na me be Judah Iscariot. Who be the senior Judah? Why did Eddie Murphy refuse to share money with Enogie? Is it not because Eddie Murphy was trying to go and collect the money back? Is it not because Eddie Murphy wanted to go and collect the money? You know why even give Enogie one shishi? You know why even give Enogie one shishi? They say they see 100,000, 200,000, or maybe even give them 500,000, maybe collect 1.5. Eddie Murphy be no one give Enogie, be one penny. No, they say another take. You for go back, you for go collect that money. Which Enogie don't code waiting he want to now, Enogie quickly overthrown. Who be this one they put right there for my video? Who be that person? I call you for my platform. Like really, if they ask you, na me too will be platforming. Oh, we man like if you don't like what they toss me, they pepper your orga. You not go live here. What else me see so people? By the way, who say me gonna put right for my video? So maybe not talk. Maybe gonna be the same when he has a word. I don't get problem with Yore. No, now the truth are they here to talk. Make Yore can tell us what he make and give the monkey 1 million. And the monkey can't talk work what you do for Yore when you take give him 1 million. Because when he has go when they supposed to give that money, when he walk. He fight everybody for social media because of Yore. He not get 500,000. You can't do the cost shop 1 million for free of charge. The 1 million now go see collector now. Now that a wife go see collector for a monkey hand. And the monkey not they see money now. Not they see trouser. He say that the thief is trouser. He wife say that the thief is good. Which goat do they thief? So my people, wanna share the video, share the video, share the video, share the video. Wanna they put love and like here? At least wanna they sleep. My people they here now. Wanna they put love and like? May they pay all those haters. We must talk the truth the way it be. You understand? So what we need is not too hard. This caller will not believe him. We don't know whether that's truth. But as for me, I don't believe him. Nah. Me not believe him. Waiting me, I all know my opinion. I've already tell you. The movie na betrayer. The monkey, you go call betrayer, you go call narrator, and a blackmail as that. So that's the reason why I'm telling you now that those are they say a queen is betrayer. Queen was on live video yesterday crying, shouting, saying what they do to her is not good. And I know her feel, I know her pain. I feel for her very, very well. I know what she's passing through because it's not easy to accept somebody at the end. You call you for Joshua as Lolekia they do one. Lolekia said, I send you now, I call you now. He got boy hands down. He got boy hands down. Mona pursue those haters. Mona let Mona call the put red for her head. I be not calling no go gag belu. Or go gag beluwa. I wanna give red you if you don't go gag belu because he might see where man. I don't call you for my life video. And you know, you know, that boy, except you go out, except I talk to you. If I not talk to you when you pray this right there, I don't even know you, I don't near you. Go ahead, allow one. Ilaje, ebilaje, amubu. Yeah, why call oh boy, any she not die your hand. Now you tell open, you don't have fake account. That your hand will talk to your account. Go at all, walking, I'm more body. Yeah, someone will village, but both fear cool, bell. Where was it? But yeah, true. If I don't true for my life, I'll do all the people when put a red. Yeah, you know why Elijah. Or if you learn a fake account, if you learn not be fake account, as far now you get, now you the user, now network, not be robots. As far you be human being. Every Elijah allow one. Elijah amu buwani buwe social media. Every Elijah must allow one. It's tired. I must to move. So my people, now so they be they don't want to make I talk the truth because they pay them for body. It depends for body. You live there. You live, relax. Wanna live there. So we need to tell the truth for where you day. Queen Saweni has always be. You not offend for you. If you see do bad, I see come as I sit and say what you yourself do, you know good. But what I need here, the monkey can't tell us what we work for you when take you 1 million. If you like, una cry. If you don't like, una not cry. If you don't like, una cry. May I block you first. You are a goner. Number 1 first. Fake account. This one I see fake accounts. I see fake account TV. So share the video, share the video, share the video, share the video. May I see the comments well. One another reply there so that in case for one block song. Now the one where he put red now I won't go attack if I don't true. Now assume wow. When I put red I won't go some. One I don't leave them. One another reply so that in case I want to block somebody. In case I want to block somebody so that we know I will not block you, Joy. No mind that one. You understand? So my people, question when they ask be say, may she come talk. Make them come, they come talk IB. Make them come, they come talk IB. Because this one they tell say, na betrayer. If na me they give 1 million for social media system, me go hear word. Alright, I'm 1 million. If na me they give 1 million for social media system. Tell truth. Me go. They let me see who the one they deceive. Who the one they deceive? They tell say no. Now say now medicine. We not get any medicine when you give them. You not get any medicine when you give a yore get below on you. You not get any medicine when you give them. Senior Judah. Make it go bring on other people. Now you never even talk on other. They talk say now so you see do for you no get white body. Maybe doesn't go the narrate you for back now. Cause now therefore you might be a blackmail. Now so if you want to for you no get white body, now me give her medicine. Now me give her medicine. At the end, that one still get belle and born twins. Now you still give am medicine when you take born twins. Maybe just got the life for a year head and say I give you your medicine. When you see use escort money, maybe this one way they cost so. Maybe wife don't go, they go say, now me do your but not tell anybody. Not tell anybody, not tell anybody. Now everybody tell the hear. Maybe don't use a collect money for this caller and I say, you don't know why you don't give me money. Now me do am but not tell anybody. Not tell anybody, not tell anybody. Now I can't take off for my live video. Now I can't talk as the wakarish. You want to say no be a movie tell her the wakarish. You want to tell me? You want to tell me say no be? They call you for here. But my boy. You want to tell me? You want to tell me my people? So now they don't fit deceive us. They don't fit deceive us. Come and tell us. Good evening. You are welcome. Good evening. Please share this video, guys. Yeah. Please, mona share. Mona call the year. I don't say many of them are not there when they call and call. I procol cut my. In fact, I don't monetize. Who cut my video? Now only one. Now I too. I don't monetize. If I see any part for your cut, I procol and go see any father. Yeah, you want it tone that your page or your brigand. Don't use my video. Don't cut my video. Anybody that want to watch, let them come here and listen to what caller said. If you carry my video, when I'm not the board, they carry my video against the corner. I'm not say I don't monetize. Because that your page, you Facebook of welfare know say this person voice we know and before the offer give you kwakpa. Then if I can't add my own to it, it go be double. Your page go down, not because of nothing. Because monkey not fit the work by bogo the shop. Now see my page, I know the person video. Even though they say I don't get topic, I they sit down, they do my content, all our content. I don't feel sit down, they use strength to the talk. You go carry my video, they cut. If you cut on Facebook, will fair me give you one blow, then I'll call give you like T rejoin. You know what that means? You know what it means? You make sure the page when it yes so talk. And then they say, "Vera, you wicked, no." I'll make sure say that your page, yeah, work benevio. If Facebook, you see and join the one where they fair give you, or you drop that page. That will not be bad mind. Mocking off the one when you open page, get ready to sit down and do your own content, or you can be your own content creator, or sit down and analyze topic that people will watch you as well. You know the sort and gbogbo when people they tell you cannot work all everything and come on page and be doing nonsense or top stupidity. You finish your page. If you see bring on even the egg bottle, I beg nothing. So now be the team by people. So at time una say and say not be me. Now call talk because before they go change and say Vera go talk say na the movie give you medicine. If I you hear for person matter, any presenter when I for you hear from say Vera talk say if you want to talk say call for Vera platform talk say na so na the movie give you your medicine wey take get belle. If you go talk and say na Vera talk say that presenter anywhere if I call the hard laje ya mwe bogbe you egbuwe I beg no beg no surrender. No, even those beg, they don't surrender. Yeah, I'm going to you. I beg no day. Because I don't want somebody to lie on my head. I don't lie on people say. Caller called and say now the movie give Iyore medicine when they get belle and I make Iyore pay the movie 1 million. So I know say some presenters on Lila YouTuber go light. More Vera say so. If I hear am for your mouth, na Elijah me and you go land. He want more. Say we dey want more bog. Bo wa wuri. I will be he forgive. Awa. Because what I don't say, I don't want anybody to change it on my mouth or because they ask me question. Before you talk anything on my video, first of all, listen to the video very well. It's caller that called. So I take do video for my word that day before I know the current they go change it for my mouth. Say, so I talk like that, so I don't talk like this. This very one. Now caller call. Talk say the movie na I give you your medicine wey take get belle. Na I make you give you the movie 1 million. If you go change her for my mouth, say Vera talk, say not beside the fear anybody, but what I don't want, I don't need lie. I don't lie on people, don't lie on me. Anything I say, I saw them on media and I come to analyze it. That's me for you. Say call the bear matter for my matter. Call the lie. I know if you are a presenter, Google when already. You want money where you are moving like you want more bogbo. Wow, would you have done in my car? Now, lie will learn like by you. Not be because. So now, so because I know why they analyze and so because I know them. I know then they will leave you and they'll say, hey, never know the one Vera talk for your body. They will call the movie. I don't work. You don't feel life for my head before say my enemy na human trafficking. When you come here, Laje, Matasa, I will draw you go Laje. Now you say wrong. Who were women? Now besides, they fear you're now you know that problem. But now the truth of the matter, now I bring home. Not be me talk say na you're na the movie give you mercy. Na caller, you know, but they here. Na caller na I call. Say na the movie give you mercy. Na you give am 1 million. I don't want anybody change her for my mouth. No, anybody change her. You are a presenter. Wait for me. Na Ilaje go settle me and you. No, if you not reach Ilaje, no surrender. Me and you fair go Ilaje. I am a bug bejo. Ika wa mwe bug boy. Clear. I know they hide my own. Because I know them on social media. As you see them, they are liars. They will just leave here, and the next thing we hear, hey, where did you put it? Very at all say, now the movie give you medicine when you take get it belly. They will go call the movie. They say now you give your medicine when you take get it belly. They say go call your. They say that I not there for shoot where my man fly. I not get patience here. My patience have already runs out. I don't get patience of get patient. Patient don't. Yeah, one who anybody you call the video for me. Me know the comments I call reply you. I don't know. I know the call. I'll go find your best picture for your wall. Yeah, one way where I could send the ekpa. Yeah, one way bug. No, no. Let's not feel like for my for social media and go score free because we know them. I don't know them. If they all do that, they'll change that for person. No. What you not told, they'll say you talking. And they know say not be me talking. Oh. They want use and drag my name. I know the fear of dragging my name here and there, but if you want to drag my name and truth and the real truth. Fight me with truth and those people talk. Say coming out and the person hidden and saying that me want to do sugar and have one more bug. So now be the team, my people. So for that caller, I not believe him. Many people can still believe him. As for me, I did not believe him. So my people, I'm about to go now. I thank you now so much. God will bless. And please, if you have not follow my page, I bet when I see they like my page, follow my page, guys. Like this page, follow this page, like so that we will be following up anything I post anytime I'm on live video. Some people say, don't they say a lot? Maybe you not follow or you don't like the page. Like it is better. When you like it, anytime on live video, you'll be having notification anytime. You will call your phone, you understand? Because you like the page. So don't fail to like. Now, no, I just try to bring out everything. Thank you, my darling, almost. You know, now so they be. All this some of our presenter, they are liar. Even Yore not wash and they will cut and go give Yore say Yore where you put it here. Vera thought say na the movie give you medicine. I not dey fear anybody. And they talk and not me say I not dey fear because you know why they talk. That person I go in na keshe stay Mediterranean. He want make sure he want more bug wood here. May that person not go say I not here. I not say no be so you take talk. No, water don't pass Gary. Water don't pass Gary. Nothing like that because many of them they can lie. They can lie for Africa after they don't cause the whole problem. Then when you're finished, they will not pick crazy. If you are looking for them, you will not see them again. Especially some when they call phone say they be caller, they do it format. They can lie. Meanwhile, they know the truth, so they will not tell you see what they see there or see what they heard. They will not change it so that person will call with the radio. That person I know they do. So that is it, my people. That's my beautiful lady. No, for we are not the believer, they believe like that. No, faithfulness. I not they believe that nonsense. No, I not believe. I not believe. So thank you guys. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Yes. Thank you, my people. Thank you. So don't forget to like this page, so that we will see the up. They don't know, not get up people. All those topics where they go for the analyze them. I'll bring the truth out. But people when have eyes will know, say yes. This person they talk the truth. People when really get eye will say, yeah, this person is saying the truth. You understand? So I say the truth the way it is. I know they use vaccination till they put life for person head. I know they lie for person. And I make person life for my head. And they draw. I'll draw main leg P. So I beg. So when I not fail to like this page, follow this page, please. If you today is your first time visiting my try to like and follow in case of more updates, you know. So thank you, everybody. Thank you. I'm about to go now. Make I go relax. Happy Sunday to you all once again. Tomorrow na Monday, Nabi. Many school don't take holiday, but at a time. Thank you. All right, guys. Thank you. God bless you. Now. All right, my people. I'm about to go now. Bye.